This is a popular and common carton packing line. The first part is the case erector. Its function is shape the carton and fold the carton bottom to seal the bottom. The second part is clamp belt conveyor line. After the sensor detects the carton, the conveyor line, and the machine stop. When the loading is completed, the foot switch controls conveyor line and the machine to continue to move forward. The third part is the carton sealing machine with folding flaps. Its function is to fold the carton top and seal the top. The last part is the buffer conveyor line. All parts are adjustable to run different cartons. Thank you for your following and liking.